Welcome to my channel. Lexmark printer Wi-Fi setup made easy. Step 1. Turn on the printer, press the power button and wait until the printer finishes starting up. Make sure there are no error messages on the display. Step 2. Place the printer near the router. Keep your Lexmark printer close to your Wi-Fi router during setup. This helps maintain a strong wireless signal. Step 3. Open wireless settings. On the printer's control panel, go to Settings or Network, then select Wireless Setup or Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Step 4. Turn on Wi-Fi. If wireless is disabled, enable the Wi-Fi option. The printer will begin searching for nearby wireless networks. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. Choose your home or office Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list of available networks. Step 6. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Carefully type your wireless password using the printer's keypad or touchscreen, then press OK or connect. Step 7. Wait for the connection. Give the printer a minute to connect. A Wi-Fi icon or confirmation message will appear when the connection is successful. Step 8. Install the printer software. Download and install the latest Lexmark printer software on your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect your wireless printer. Step 9. Print a test page. Print a test page to confirm that the printer is connected and working properly over Wi-Fi. Step 10. Start printing wirelessly. Your Lexmark printer is now ready to use. You can print from your computer, laptop, or compatible mobile device without using a USB cable. Thanks for watching.